Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. You know, I am writing my book. I'm writing my book. Write a little bit before I go back to my work. Anyway, today they give me off today, but instead of I'm cleaning the house. Later I'll go clean the while they are not here. Anyway, this is my story. I want to write my life story, my life journey. This one, I want to write it and put it in the book, but I don't know how to publish this. This is part 1, part 2. I put a picture inside the text. See, the title of my book story is From Rejection to Bless. I start, but I'm not yet done. There is maybe there is chapter 3 with this. I already started my chapter 2. This is already a chapter 2. See, this is my project for this. I want to write a book with my own story in it. But as of now, if I have free time, if I'm not busy, I write little by little until it will finish. But I need to know how to publish a book and how much it costs when we publish a book. I want to sell it online or any store that I can earn money or loyalty, so that I can have an extra source of income, additional source of income. It's hard to budget my salary. My salary is very small, not enough, because I'm paying my I need to prepare for my retirement also. I'm paying monthly in the Philippines. Some of my salary, only receipt is I pay my SSS, pag-ibig, my retirement. There is no money left in my pocket. That's why I need to find another additional source of income, so that I can have and I need to find funds to continue support campus ministry, and to give in the charity that I am supporting, like the Philippines and campus ministry Philippines. I want to earn additional source of income. See, I think I only half of my story only. I need another half, and I insert a Bible verse related to my story. That's all, guys. I need to so you can see my writing. I don't know if I need to use color red or color black with the writing, or blue. But I can change the color of the see, I'll put picture inside. That picture is about the overcomer, this one. And this that one, the overcomer, the person who overcome all the struggles in life. This one is, that picture is about the where I live in Zamboanga City, my uncle place. The kids is playing in the rain, and this picture of a lady who she has a problem, she don't know what to do, she's thinking of how she solve her problem. And this one about the clock, my mom really want to have she's asking the clock from my eldest brother and sister, but they won't be able to give that clock to her. Only me is the one able to give that clock to her. You know that clock, the clock she want is, if it's 1 o'clock, it will ring 1 time. If it's 2, it will ring 2 times. Ring the bell 2 times. Or if it is 12, the clock will ring 12 times. And that's the clock that my mom used to have when we still young. When I'm still young, and she asked that clock from my brother and sister, but my brother and sister won't be able to give that to her. That's why when I already earning money, because I'm already working, I buy that clock for my mom, and she was very happy because of I'm the only one able to give that clock to her in all 6 siblings. We are 6 siblings, but only me is the one able to give that clock to her. That's all, guys.